Many OnePlus users want full control access root-only apps, customize deeply, or unlock hidden features. Today, we'll show you how to root a OnePlus phone safely, with key prep steps to avoid issues. Part 1. What to do before rooting your OnePlus phone. Backup data. Use Mobican Backup Manager to save contacts, messages, photos, and apps. Enable USB debugging. Unlock developer options settings about phone. Tap build number 7 times and turn on USB debugging. Charge device. Ensure at least 60% battery. Know the risks. Rooting may void warranty, cause data loss, or brick your phone. Learn recovery. Know how to access recovery mode. Install drivers optional. Download from OnePlus site, connect via USB, and restart PC. Enter bootloader optional. Follow driver setup to access bootloader. Update software optional. Ensure your phone runs the latest OS version. Part 2. How to root OnePlus phone with MSM download tool. Run adb shell getprop row boot. Slot suffix to find your slot. Open MS download tool. Select other. Press F8. Choose the correct boot partition. Enter password and click OK. Reboot into EDL. Adb reboot EDL. Then click read back. Don't click start. Power off. Reconnect. Copy boot. IM to phone. Patch with Magisk and move patched file to PC. Boot via Fastboot. Fastboot boot patched file imgr. Boot. Enter Fastboot again and use Magisk direct install to confirm root. Part 3. How to root OnePlus R Nord Ace 121110 via ADB and Fastboot. Install ADB, Fastboot and drivers. Connect phone. Run adb reboot bootloader. Unlock bootloader Fastboot flashing unlock and set pin. Download firmware. Extract with payload dumper go. Transfer init boot. Install Magisk. Adb install. App release. APK. Patch init boot. Use Magisk to patch it. Rename it to init boot Magisk patched. And pull it back. Adb pulscard download init boot Magisk patched. Init boot Magisk patched. Flash patched file. Part 4. How to root OnePlus with one-click root easy. Go to the one-click root website. Download and install. Connect your OnePlus via USB and install drivers if needed. Open the software and click root now once the device is detected. After reboot, use a root checker app to confirm root.